नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5 पाहणार आहोत। त्यामध्ये पहिलं जे आहे ते ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे। ॲक्टिव्हिटी फिल इन द गॅप्स अँड कंप्लीट। क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन ax² + bx + c = 0, b² - 4ac = 5, b² - 4ac = 5 असेल तर आपल्याला या ठिकाणी ही जी काय डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू आहे, दिस व्हॅल्यू इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0, दॅट इज द पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू, देअरफॉर रूट्स आर रियल अँड अनइक्वल। b² - 4ac = 0, that means delta, value of delta is negative, this is less than 0, therefore roots of the quadratic equation is not real. दूसरा प्रश्न, sum of roots is 7, sum of roots is 7, product of root is 5, therefore quadratic equation, that is x² minus in bracket minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0, therefore x² plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. तुम्ही हे जे आहे हे इक्वेशन या ठिकाणी लिहिलं तरी चालेल, इथं हे नाही लिहिलं तरी चालेल, तुम्हाला समजावं म्हणून इथं हे लिहिलेलं आहे। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, दुसरा प्रश्न आपण पाहतोय। तिसरा प्रश्न तुमच्या अभ्यासातून वगळलेला आहे। डिस्क्रिमिनंट, डिस्क्रिमिनंटची व्हॅल्यू, डेल्टाची व्हॅल्यू मला फाइंड आउट करायची। अतिशय सोपी गोष्ट आहे। पहिला प्रश्न असा आहे पहा, क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, x² minus plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with a general form of the quadratic equation, then we get here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to -1. Therefore discriminant, that is delta, is equal to b² minus 4ac is equal to, what is the value of b? That is the 7. 7² minus 4 into a ची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे आणि c ची व्हॅल्यू -1 आहे। Therefore 7² that is 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. The value of discriminant is 53. Question number 2. Question number 2 is in this way. 2y² minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. After comparing this equation with a general form of the quadratic equation, a is equal to 2, b is equal to -5 and c is equal to 10. Therefore value of delta is equal to b² minus 4ac is equal to, what is the value of b? Value of b is -5 bracket square minus 4, value of a is 2 and value of c is 10 is equal to -5² that is 25 plus -25 लिहायचं नाही, minus 80, then we get here -55. -55 is value. तिसरे एक्झाम्पल पहा, √2x², हे तिसरे एक्झाम्पल या ठिकाणी आहे। √2x² plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. After comparing this equation with a general form of the quadratic equation, we get here a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2. Then discriminant, that is delta, is equal to b square minus 4ac. Putting the values, b ची value 4 आहे, therefore 4 square minus 4, a ची value root 2 आहे and value of c is 2 root 2 is equal to 4 square, that is 14. आता पहा, या ठिकाणी 4 आहे, इथं root 2 into root 2, that is 2 into 2, that is the 4. Therefore 4 into 4, we get here minus 16 is equal to 0. तर पहा, हा भाग समजला नसेल तुम्हाला तर परत एक वेळेस इथं मी सांगतोय. इथं काय पहा, 4 root 2 into 2 root 2 हे मला करायचं. 4 into इथं काय 4 root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2, root 4 into 2, 4 into root 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 into 4 is equal to 16. तर हे 16 या ठिकाणी आलेलं आहे. प्रश्न तिसरा, डिटरमाइन द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. आपल्याला ह्या ठिकाणी हे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन दिलेले आहेत, त्यांच्या रूट्सचं नेचर जे आहे ते डिटरमाइन करायचं आहे. त्यासाठी मला डिस्क्रिमिनंटची व्हॅल्यू हे काढणं आवश्यक आहे. पहिलं एक्झाम्पल काय पहा, एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस 4x प्लस 4 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with general form of the quadratic equation, we get here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 4. Then value of discriminant, that is delta, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is the value of d? Value of d is minus 4, minus 4 bracket square minus 4 into value of a, that is 1, and value of c, that is the 4, is equal to 16. 4 into 4, also this is 16, is equal to 0. Therefore value of discriminant, that is delta, is equal to 0. Therefore roots of quadratic equations are real and equal. Question number 2, 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. After comparing this equation with the general form, we get here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 2. Therefore value of delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to, what is the value of b? Minus 7 bracket square minus 4 value of a, that is 2, value of c, that is also 2, is equal to 49 minus 16 is equal to, that is 33. Therefore value of delta is greater than 0, positive value. Therefore roots of roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. Question number 3. M square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. After comparing this equation with a general form equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. Therefore, value of delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Value of b, that is 2 square minus 4. Value of a is 1 and value of c is 9. 4 minus 36 is equal to minus 32. Therefore, value of delta is negative. That means delta is less than 0. Delta is less than 0. Therefore, roots are not real. तर या पद्धतीनं आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 मधले असणारे जे काही प्रश्न आहेत ते सोडवले. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. फॉर्म द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म द रूट्स ऑफ गिवन बिलो. हे रूट्स दिलेत त्यावरून मला काय करायचं आहे, क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. पहिला प्रश्न 0 and 4. Let alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 4. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 4 and alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore, quadratic equation that is x square minus alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta, that is the 4, plus alpha into beta, here is the 0, is equal to 0. Therefore, required quadratic equation is x square minus 4x is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. आपण हे पहिले एक्झाम्पल बघितलं. दुसरं एक्झाम्पल, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, that is 3 and minus 10. Let alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to minus 10. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus in bracket minus 10 is equal to minus 7. Then alpha into beta is equal to 3 into minus 10 is equal to minus 30. Therefore, required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Then putting the values, that is x square minus alpha plus beta, that is minus 7, x alpha into beta, here is the minus 30 is equal to 0. Then quadratic equation is in this way, x square, पहा इथं मायनस आहे, therefore plus 7x, इथं मायनस आहे नाही, therefore minus 30 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation that is we want to obtain. Third question, that is 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Therefore let alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 1 upon 2 plus in bracket minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. Alpha into beta is equal to 1 upon 2 into minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Then quadratic equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta bracket complete into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Simply putting the values, x square minus alpha plus beta, that is the 0, plus alpha into beta minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x square, there this is 0, plus minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0, and this is the quadratic equation that is we obtained. Then question number 4, that is 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. Therefore let alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5, beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. Therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. या ठिकाणी पहा, हे जे रूट 5 आहे मायनस रूट 5 प्लस रूट 5 cancel to each other, then we get here 4. Alpha into beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 and another bracket 2 plus root 5. We know the expansion formula. What is the expansion formula? Expansion formula is that x minus y and another bracket x plus y असं जर समजा असेल, that is x square minus y square, हे आपण पूर्वी अभ्यासलेलं आहे. Therefore 2 square minus in bracket root 5 square. What is the 2 square? That is the 4. And root 5 square, that is 5, is equal to minus 1. Then required quadratic equation is that x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus, what is the alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is the 4, plus alpha into beta minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our required quadratic equation. त्यानंतर प्रश्न 5वा आणि 6वा हा तुमच्या अभ्यासक्रमामध्ये नाही. प्रश्न 7वा काय पहा. द रूट्स ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन आर रियल अँड इक्वल, देन फाइंड व्हॅल्यू ऑफ के. केची व्हॅल्यू मला फाइंड आउट करायचे. जर समजा हे जे काही इक्वेशनचे रूट्स आहेत हे रियल अँड इक्वल असतील तर. पहिला प्रश्न आपण बघूया. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 3y² प्लस ky प्लस 12 इज इक्वल टू 0. Roots are real and equal. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. डेल्टा जो आहे तो 0च्या बरोबर आहे. Comparing this equation with a general form, we get here a is equal to 3, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 12. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b, what is the value of b? That is k square minus 4, what is the value of a? That is 3. Value of c, here is the 12, is equal to 0. Therefore, k square is 144 is equal to 0. Therefore, k square minus 12 square is equal to 0. Therefore, k plus 12 and k minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, k plus 12 in bracket k minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, k plus 12 is equal to 0 or k minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 12 or k is equal to plus 12. Therefore, value of k is minus 12 or plus 12. या पद्धतीने आपण हे काढू शकतो. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला हा जो भाग आहे इथं, दिस इज द एक्सपान्शन फॉर्म्युला. हा एक्सपान्शन फॉर्म्युल्याचा या ठिकाणी उपयोग केलेला आहे. म्हणजे मगाशी आपण बघितल्याप्रमाणे a स्क्वेअर मायनस बी स्क्वेअर असं जर समजा असेल तर आपण काय लिहू शकतो? a प्लस बी in first bracket a minus b in second bracket using this expansion formula. या ठिकाणी या एक्सपान्शन फॉर्म्युल्याचा आपण या ठिकाणी उपयोग केलेला आहे. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. पहिल्यांदा या ठिकाणी जनरल फॉर्म जो आहे या क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचा तो काय येईल ते बघावं लागेल. याने याला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. kx स्क्वेअर, kx नी 2ला मल्टिप्लाय केलं, मायनस kx 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. After comparing this equation with a general form, a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Therefore, but roots are म्हणते तरी चालेल. roots are real and equal. So delta is equal to 0. What is the delta? Delta is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. What is the b? b is minus 2k square minus 4. a ची व्हॅल्यू k आहे आणि c ची व्हॅल्यू 6 आहे इज इक्वल टू 0. 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. k नी मी 4 नी डिवाइड केलं minus 6k is equal to 0. k कॉमन काढायचं. k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 0 or k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 6. k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 6. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video.